Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will show you how you can use the Craft app. So let's get started. So here we can see the Craft app. So I will just open it. So if you want to use it, you have to follow these easy steps. So first of all, you will just log in with your number. Okay, then you have to select your language. So it's showing like local language. So I will just select my local language. From here you have to add your profile photo. If you don't want to, there's an option you have to add it. So for example, I am adding this photo. Okay, so here I will just continue. So here I will just allow the permission. Okay, so by this way you can use the Crafto app. And if you have any question, you can let me know in the comment section. And if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.